The Ford Capri has always held a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts, not just as a stylish coupe from the past but as a symbol of an era when driving felt raw, mechanical, and deeply personal. In today's video, we're diving into the charm of the old Ford Capri, its exterior appeal, interior experience, performance character, and even what you can expect to pay for one in the current market. This isn't just a car, it's an automotive time capsule that still turns heads wherever it goes. When you first walk up to a Ford Capri, the exterior instantly tells you what decade it comes from. It carries that unmistakable long hood, short deck silhouette that defined sporty coupes of the late 60s, 70s, and early 80s. Even after all these years, the car manages to feel sleek and confident. The body lines run clean and sharp, creating a profile that looks fast even when it's sitting still. The sloping roofline, slim pillars, and angled rear end give it a distinctive fastback personality. It has that European muscle car vibe, small enough to feel agile, yet bold enough to look aggressive. Depending on the specific model and year, many Capris came with flared wheel arches, sporty alloy wheels, and subtle chrome accents that add just the right amount of vintage flair. The front end, with its narrow grille and quad headlamps on some models, still stands out as one of the most iconic design choices of its time. This is a car that makes people stop, smile, and remember an era when style mattered as much as engineering. What's remarkable is how well the Capri has aged. Its proportions still feel balanced, and its classic lines continue to carry a timeless charm. Step inside, and the interior will instantly transport you back in time. It's simple, upright, and very driver-focused. Everything is mechanical and analog, giving you a sense of connection that modern cars sometimes lack. The steering wheel is large by today's standards, but it feels authentic and purposeful. The gauge cluster, often featuring bold dials with classic fonts, delivers just the essential information without any digital clutter. The seats vary depending on the trim level. Some models came with basic cloth seats, while sportier variants offered bucket seats with better bolstering. No matter which version you find, the seating position feels low and engaging, putting you straight into that classic coupe driving posture. The dashboard is clean and practical, built with materials that were never luxurious but still hold up in a nostalgic way. Many owners appreciate how simple the interior is to maintain and modify, which is one of the reasons the Capri remains a beloved project car. Despite its age, the cabin doesn't feel cramped. The rear seats, while not the most spacious, can still be used in a pinch, and the hatchback-style rear makes the car surprisingly practical for everyday use. Old-school simplicity is the real charm of the Capri's interior. No screens, no electronics, just pure driving essentials. When it comes to performance, the Ford Capri offered a wide variety of engine options over its production life, ranging from small inline 4s to punchy V6 engines. Because of that variety, the driving experience can feel quite different depending on which model you get. The 4-cylinder versions are light, approachable, and fun, great for cruising and daily driving. But the real magic often comes from the V6 models. These versions deliver a deeper exhaust note, stronger acceleration, and a more thrilling overall experience. No matter which engine you choose, the Capri is known for its nimble rear-wheel drive dynamics. The car offers sharp, lightweight steering and a chassis that encourages spirited driving. It's not a modern sports car. There's body roll, there's mechanical feedback, and the brakes feel old school, but that's exactly what makes driving a Capri such an engaging experience. You feel every movement of the road, every shift of weight in the corners, and every sound from the engine. It's organic, it's alive, and it's the kind of experience you simply don't get from modern cars loaded with electronics. If you enjoy pure driving with a classic feel, the Capri delivers that in every mile. Now let's talk price. The market for old Ford Capris varies depending on condition, rarity, and specific model. A rough project car might sell for around $5,000 to $10,000, but these usually require significant restoration. A well-maintained driver-grade Capri generally falls in the $15,000 to $25,000 range. If you're looking for a high-spec V6 model or one in excellent show condition, prices can climb to $30,000 or even more. Collectible or limited edition versions may cost beyond that, especially those with documented history or original parts. As classic cars continue gaining popularity, prices have slowly risen, so buying one today can even be considered a passion investment. The old Ford Capri remains a brilliant reminder of what made classic coupes so special. It blends style, simplicity, and enjoyable performance into a package that still feels exciting decades later. Whether you're drawn to its vintage looks, the raw driving experience, or the nostalgia it carries, the Capri stands tall as one of Ford's most iconic creations.